I'm George.
And I'm Will.
And we're here with Tech Stuff 31, and we're going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make a 100% free website with Weebly.
There is many different sites that you can use to make a free website, but the best one is Weebly. So just search Google or Yahoo or whatever you use for Weebly, and it will be the first one. It's weebly.com. And all you got to do, this is the only information I'll take from you, is your name and your email. And then they'll have you just make a password, and that's the password you're going to use to log in. And from now on, after this, you'll just log in up in the right-hand corner. So today we're just going to make a site. You can make a blog or an online store, but today we're just going to make a simple site, 100% free. So there is so many different templates that you can use. They're all very modern. Some of them are modern, some of them are fun. It's just whatever you want for your website or blog, you can choose.
Okay, so let's say we have... Want to go for a pizza restaurant, Will?
Sure, let's go.
Okay, let's just look at the different colors they have available.
So along the bottom, you can choose the different colors to meet the theme of your website.
I think I'll go with this one.
The green one.
Yes.
Great.
Because pizza's green.
I don't like pesto pizza. Okay, so just choose the template, and here on the top, this is the important part. You just click the top one, and it's a subdomain, which means it's going to say .weebly.com at the end.
Also, what you can do if you want it just to be maybe like BillyBobJoesPizza.com, you can go and purchase the domain BillyBobJoesPizza.com. I recommend you get it from GoDaddy. It's much, much cheaper than Weebly. But, so yeah, just do that. And then they'll give you instructions on how to set it up with Weebly. But for our purposes, we're just going to be using a subdomain site.
Which is 100% free. You will never be charged for this indefinitely. You can just use this website. So
okay, so let's make it Billy Bob Joe. What? All right, it's available.
BillyBobJoesPizza.weebly.com is available. So this is the one we are going to use.
Okay.
And so now it can teach you how to build a site, but we're just going to show you, so you probably don't need to do that. So just,
yes. Well,
okay,
yes.
So now we're just going to show you the basic way to build your site. So what the page here is, it's a landing page. And the landing page is just like a welcome page.
The home page of your website. So let's start out by thinking about the different pages we have. We might have home, about, contact.
And so these are the pages that are already made. So you can edit, make, and delete pages under the Pages tab along the top bar. So the way to add a page is to just add a page, and it will tell you there's 4 options: external link, store page, blog page, and standard page. For our purposes, we are going to use a standard page. So now you can name the page.
Let's call this menu.
Because that will be the page shown under the menu bar. It will show all the different buttons. But if you don't, for some reason, want this page to be on the menu bar, you can click Hide Page from Navigation Menu. But we're not going to do that because we want this to be shown on the menu bar.
Okay, so let's just make it... What do you want to make it?
A short header. It'll be fine.
Okay, we'll start with this.
That's the size of the picture at the top of the page.
Okay, so let's click Save and Edit. Now we can design our page, or we're just going to stay here.
You pull the text.
Yes, this is our menu. So we have our menu for our pizza restaurant.
We're going to pull the text down here. So now you can write out the menu right there.
So let's say we have pizza is $5. And then you can make that bigger if you highlight it. But you probably are going to have more than one thing and more details, but you could just do that. Or you can make a more interactive one, but we'll just start with the basics for this. Also, you're going to name your website. Everything, like if you want to change something, you just click on it. You don't have to go through many menus or settings to figure things out. It's very straightforward. So it's Billy.
And this is why we recommend Weebly, because it is very simple and user-friendly. Yeah. And also, you can click on logo,
After I finish typing this, you gotta capitalize the letters, especially when you spell it wrong.
You gotta click on the logo, and they will let you add the logo and text.
You want to add a logo? Let's just look for a piece of pizza. This is probably going to use Yahoo. I don't like Yahoo. Let's just go to Google. Okay, let's go to Google Images. And then we're going to look for a pizza icon. So now let's just look for a piece of pizza. You want a high quality image for your... So let's see. Or if you have a picture of your restaurant, maybe the front or your logo, you can probably put that there.
And you can upload off the computer or like off your hard drive on your computer or off the internet, either one. And the way you take stuff off the internet is by just taking the image URL.
I like this image.
All right. So the way you do that is you would go to View Image.
View Image.
And then you just copy the URL.
Yes. Man.
But this is only if you're taking it right off the internet instead of getting it off your computer.
Minimize this. I don't like Yahoo. Okay.
So now we're just
image URL and just paste it there. There we go. That's our company image.
You can add text alongside that too if you'd like.
Which I did not do.
So that's just our logo. That could be your logo with text on it. But if you just want to choose,
I don't understand.
You just hit edit.
Oh,
and you can do add text right alongside that. So if you want to write Billy Bob Joe's right next right next to your pizza logo, you may do that. But some logos already have the name of the company in them, which is why you wouldn't necessarily do this.
Okay, there we go. You can change some stuff about that, but we're not going to.
And I just hit save.
Make sure you hit save after you do. Think that's a bad font for this, but we'll not worry about that.
All right, so now we're going to show you how to maybe map your restaurant. So we're going to make a new page, and we're going to call it Get Directions, or Directions. We'll just make it a no header this time, and we'll save it. And then we're just going to pull in a map.
And if there is anything that we don't mention and you think maybe you want to put on your website, you can just look through this menu.
And when you click on this, it is actually by Google. The good thing about Weebly is they actually, we're going to type in an address. We're just going to type in,
where's Apple? One infinite loop.
Yes.
Is that how you spell it?
Yes.
If it can find that, I'll be very surprised. Did I find it?
Yes, it does. It found it. This is Apple's address, just for fun. But you would put the address of your restaurant or wherever you'd like the person to find.
And if you maybe more people from farther away came, you might not want to zoom in as much. You might want maybe 6, whatever. That's a little brief because people probably aren't going to drive from states to get your pizza. Unless it's pretty good, but that's the thing. You can change the size of it. Height, you might want it to be tall, so it can be more broad. There are many options you can go through here.
And the really good thing about Weebly is they actually partner with Google for a lot of things. So you can get Google AdSense if you want to advertise right on your website. You can do that, and it's very easy through Weebly. Also, Google Wallet is also through Google, so it's very official. It's very safe to use, and
you're not giving your credit card number to random people.
If you're giving it to Google, that's something you feel safe doing. And anyways, that's so you can sell things right on your website. So it's very good. So we can make a contact page.
Right here they have.
And so you can make a contact forum, actually.
Or forum? I don't want to make an entire forum.
No, just do easy. No, not a forum. Sorry, go up. A contact page.
A survey?
No.
An RSVP form?
No.
Yes.
There's a contact form.
That's what I meant.
There's so many things that you can use with this, and they're all, you can change everything.
Okay, we don't want that. Maybe you want to order.
And you can change all the things right in here. Now you see along the side it's changed to go back to what the order form. You can add buttons, addresses, names, phone numbers, everything.
So maybe you want to
have an address for the pizza to be dropped off. Let's drop that one in.
You're probably going to need a name.
See, so it enters everything in for you.
You might want to, I don't know, you might want to change something because you can
You can just add and delete things in the form options.
You can change things. So when someone did enter something on this form, it would automatically send an email to your account that you have set up with here, so you would know that they ordered something. So let's save that. So if someone wants to order pizza, you just have them fill this out. Probably want to have some more things, but you don't really need that. Maybe about, you might want to explain.
Okay, now we're going to do some things with buttons.
Ooh, buttons. What do you want to do now, Will?
They're pushy. All right. So, do you want to put a button in about? So we're just going to put a button in there.
Okay, about. Let's look for the buttons. Ooh, button.
Yeah. And so the buttons, if you click on the button right now, you can change the button style. Everything about the button. There's lots of different choices.
Large button. I don't like that color.
Make it green.
Can you change the color?
Okay, and so you can link it to a different website, a website on your page.
So let's say we want Google, or we wanted to open it in a new link. So then someone clicked on this button, which is not, but it would take you to that thing.
So change the name of the button to,
let's just call it Google. Google. If you, for some reason, want your website to be about, someone wants to go to Google.
Well, and also the buttons you can use to go to different pages on your website, even the pages that are hidden from the menu.
Okay, well let's show them. Pages. Let's create a new page called "Nobody Can Find This Page."
And you'll hide this from the menu.
So no one will be able to see this page. Also, you can protect things with passwords. Maybe you want some of your employees to be able to access something. You might put a password so they can look at maybe the daily schedule or something. I'm not sure. So we can have nobody can find this page. Also,
you see it's not in the menu.
You can't see it because no one can find it. Without our button here, link. Well, it's called a standard page because that's what it's called on your website, and it's linked to no one can find this page.
And save. And so this page cannot be accessed through the menu bar, but it can be accessed through a button.
By clicking on this, it's called button text. If you want to publish it and check it out for now.
No, let's just call it go to this page or something.
Unknown page.
Okay, so finally we're just going to show you how to put in a YouTube video, let's say.
If you had a YouTube video maybe about your company.
So we'll put it in home, actually.
Okay, so like someone looks at your website, they're like, oh, what's this?
You want to advertise your pizza? So you can do it there. So now you just click on this, and you can put the link. So we'll just put on one of our YouTube videos.
Okay, so let's just check this out. Check step 31. No, we don't want to go to our website, but we can go to check out our website. When you're here, don't forget to smack that subscribe button. It really makes us.
And we made this website using Weebly too.
So if you you think it's pretty good, we bought the domain because we are very into this. We have all our things on here. If you want to check it out. Let's check out this is an example of a button.
It takes us to the channel.
This is our channel. This is our current video. You might want to check it out. Also, subscribe. Really makes us feel happy when you hit that subscribe button.
So we're just going to embed this Amazon gift card iPad lineup preview. And check out that iPad if you're lineup preview if you're planning on buying an iPad, because we're going to do a video about which iPads are best. And that would be good to know.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to copy. No, I did it wrong. Okay. What the heck?
You're clicking it wrong.
Oh, whoops.
So you go to the YouTube video you want to embed, and you just get the URL up in the corner.
It's very simple. Go back to Weebly. We're going to paste it here.
And then just click somewhere else.
Let's just look at some advanced stuff. Yes. I don't know what that stuff is. Size. We can change the size. That's what I was looking for. If you want HD, widescreen, or small, maybe you want no one to be able to see anything. Let's just leave ours to automatic so it will take advantage of all the space that's available. So as you can see, we have, if Billy Bob Joe's Pizza has a video about iPads on it. Also, if you are very into it and you like Weebly, you can upgrade to Premium, which will allow you to add many more features that may make you happy.
Also, we're just going to show you how to use the columns.
Yes, this can be very handy. Let's create a new page. Maybe we want to add a page. Standard page. No header. Let's call it is. Save this.
And so you pull a column. If you want to ever put things side by side, you pull a column, and you can choose. Click on the column, and you can choose if you want 5 different columns, 2 different columns, 3, however many columns you want. It's available.
What you might want to do, if you want to have many things up here, you might want to have
like some
text here.
Picture. Oh, you didn't put it. You got to make sure you put it in the column.
Yes, because George is having trouble with that. I'm having trouble. I can't do it. I'm having trouble. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you put some text in here. That's nice. You can put an image over here. There's a picture of some stuff. You might want to put some text here.
And you can. The important thing is that you can link pictures. Let's just show them.
Okay, so let's just go look back for that page I closed about a piece of pizza. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's look at this image.
Remember, you can always upload an image from your computer.
Don't want to do that. That's wrong. Let's go back to our website. Put an image in. Paste that in. There we go.
And so you can link images.
So yes, we have a picture here of our pizza. Let's pretend this is very good, and someone might want to say, if I click on this pizza, that you might want them to take you to the contact form on our pictures page, so they might want to see, like, oh look, this is a very interesting type of pizza.
And the last thing we're going to show you how to do is embed something. You can embed games. There's a lot of things now that you can embed in your website. And the good thing about Weebly is it will let you embed things. So we're just going to embed a standard game.
We have games here. Let's put one here. Let's go find what.
Just go to freegamesforyourwebsite.com. That's where you always go. And that has a lot of the common games that you'll find from, like, Fog. These have, like, most of the games you'll always see. They have, like, Sim Taxi. It has most of the games that you'd always play.
Let's take Sim Taxi London, the Embed Code. I'm having trouble with this. Here it is.
Just copy this embed code.
Copy. Go out of this. Go back over here.
And the really simple thing is you pull. There's something called embed code right there. You just pull it right onto the screen, and you just paste that embed code right in there.
And if you're ever on a website or something, and you want to find the embed code, we have another video, and we'll put an annotation here, so you will be able to see it. So you'll be able to check that out for yourself. Here's a game. So it's probably an advertisement for the company. So put it there. That's nice. Let's turn that off because I don't want to listen to that. So you can check that out. We have a video on how to find the embed code if you maybe wanted to. You can also embed other websites into your website. You want to embed the Apple website in for some reason. You might want to do that. Don't do that. Copyright stuff. Not good. So is there anything else, Will? Oh, let's show them how to publish it. That's important.
That's very important. Always, 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 you have to publish your website or all the work won't be put up. It actually saves it for you, though, so don't worry if you didn't publish it.
If you were working with it and it's not working for some reason, it still saves. It automatically saves, but no one will be able to see it. So let's click on Publish.
And
yes,
just press
we
Continue.
Want this. It's available. Continue.
They make you select the category of the website the first time.
Our website is going to be a business.
Okay.
I think it is.
All right.
Please verify.
No, I hate these.
I can't read that.
That's 255. That's not.
No, but there's something.
No, that's not it. That's not it. Just 255.
25. That's a 5-3.
It's a 5.
That's a 3.
That is 3, right? 9, 3.
I'm not blind.
5, 6, 4, 5, 2.
I probably typed something wrong. Okay, publish my site.
Oh, thank goodness. And then we'll just show you how the site works.
Oh,
it definitely does work.
Bob shows pizza.weebly.com or .weebly.com.
Let's go to it.
Oh, this is
right. This is really high quality.
Our videos here. You want to check that out? You can watch the video right here. Interesting. We have our About tab. It has our unknown page. This will take you to the page that no one can see. This is the page no one can see it. It's not any of these. We have, because we had too many for the size. Like if you maybe actually had this many pages, you might find a different template that allowed you to have more.
But also,
menus.
we have another video that you should check out that shows you how to make subcategories. We'll also put that in the description.
Yes, and everything that you'll need to know about your website. If you do have any questions about creating a Weebly website, maybe a Wix website, Drupal, that kind of stuff. We don't really like it because it's too complicated for our small minds. We can't help you with that.
We can help you.
We can help you, yes.
We do have some expertise in that, but Weebly is the best. So
we feel.
If for people starting out who don't know very much about coding, this is really the simplest thing to do.
Instead of writing HTML, there are some very good websites. You can look at their homepage. There's some very good websites that were created with Weebly or Weebly, and you wouldn't even know unless you saw this. And if you get premium, they get rid of this. Yeah, like the juiceapp.com. It's a pretty nice website.
This is an example of a store that was made with a Weebly website.
You can add the cart, and it uses the Google Wallet function. Pretty interesting. So, if you have any questions about creating a website with Weebly, feel free to leave a comment in the comment area below this video.
There is also a video about more about HTML codes in Weebly websites. A very detailed thing about more information, and also how to make the subcategories.
More advanced things. This is pretty much just the basics, but a little more advanced. We'll have more videos for those in the future.
And if there's anything else you need to know, we'll just make a video about it, and we will be coming out with more Weebly tutorials in the future, so just check back if you don't see something, or just comment it, and we will hopefully be able to get back to you within 24 hours with that video. I hope this is very helpful to you. So if this was helpful to you in making a free first website, I hope you will at least but hopefully subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.
And also, you might win $25 for Amazon if we don't already have 100 subscribers. If we do already have 100 subscribers, I guarantee we have another giveaway, so we might have another one at 500,000, 10 million. Yeah, we can only hope. But make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned for future uploads. Goodbye!
Don't forget to check out the website we made in the description below.